Can you get off the box, please?
Oh.
What's up?
Help Daddy, help Daddy.
Oh, what's up?
Be careful, be careful, be careful. What's in the box, Tink?
Go ahead, open it.
What's in the box, Tink? Okay, there's something underneath the peanuts.
Something.
Get underneath the peanuts. Something's under there for you. No, stay over there, because something's under there. Let's see what we can find. Uh-oh. I see stuff in the peanuts. Wait, I see something. Feel right here. Feel right here. Okay, now let me have it. What's this? Oh, I feel something else. I feel something else. Oh, what is that, Tink? What is that? What is that, Tink? Oh my God, and the phone rings. I just can't win. Jordan.
My belly that's this toy.
Thank you for calling the
Oh.
Mommy, we just did that.
I know.
I got a surprise.
You got anything else in the box?
I got a surprise.
What? No. Come back. What else is in the box?
That's Larry. That's that.
Think about to be in a box.
Oh, I just some
Oh! What is that?
Hello Kitty.
What Mommy got in her hand? Well, whose is it?
Mine.
What is it? Hold it up. Let me see. Hold it so I can see it.
It's a dress.
Let me see. It could be an Easter dress.
Yeah.
Oh, I got something else. What I got?
something.
You falling all in the box. What is it?
Tinkerbell.
You got Tinkerbell?
Santa gave me a lot of stuff.
No, that is from Miss Megan. It is not Christmas.
Oh, yeah.
You have to say thank you, Miss Megan. Jordan,
Can we open this?
do you have anything else in the box?
You know what's in there?
No, I can feel stuff in the box.
This is the pink
To go with the dress?
and the pink.
What else is in the box?
Oh. A bag
Oh, that's a dress.
It's a dress. How pretty for Tinka.
and the dress.
Did you say thank you, Miss Megan?
Thank you, Miss Lincoln. Well, I feel something.
And Miss Barbara?
Look!
Oh, what is that?
She got a pink now.
That's Princess Tiana.
Can we open
Miss Megan is the best.
Can we open this?
Uh-oh. I see something else in the box.
Ribbon! Uh-oh. I think I found something. I found something.
You found something? I think that might be it in the box, Tink. I think that might be it in the box. You have to tell Miss Megan and Miss Barbara thank you. You gonna say thank you? Now you can swim in the box with the peanuts.
You can eat.
Say thank you, Miss Megan and Miss Barbara.
Thank you, Miss Megan and Miss Barbara.
Now you getting in the box. We're gonna pack you up and send you to them. Look at me, Tink. You a goofball.